I don't even know. 아파.
It didn't go back the way I wanted. Literally, I can drink 3 bottles of soju and I'm fine. Yeah. I'm gonna be like soju.
What are you gonna do when you're back to Spain?
소유.
Oh yeah.
This is one thing. Oh.
When I learned that in university, I was like, how the heck?
I'm sorry.
Yeah, she's over here like mixologist to the stars. And my husband was just looking at me like, you piece of crap. Did not plan the third one. 짠. 야, 바빠?
바쁘지 않아. 왜?
추워서 한잔 해야지.
한잔 해야지.
좋아, 가자.
사장님, 삼겹살 3인분이랑 소주 한 병 하고 맥주도 한 병 주세요. 감사합니다. 아, 라면도. 네.
I hope you're a good cooker because I'm not.
Well, I'm a mom, so.
Nice.
Actually, I'm a terrible cook, so.
Are you? I'm not the best, but I can cook Korean food better than I can cook Canadian food.
What is Canadian food?
I don't even know.
Yeah, I mean,
What is it? Thank you. What is it anyway? It's like meat, potatoes, salad.
Would you have like the gravy? Isn't that Canadian?
Oh yeah, we have gravy a lot.
That's Canadian, right?
Yeah, well there's poutine. That's
that
like,
one.
I guess Canadian is like a mix of British gastronomy with French gastronomy, maybe?
Could be.
Yeah, that makes sense.
I'm just
like thinking about history.
No, that's
enough.
probably right. And I think there's a lot of American influence too. Like, I want to go to Spain.
You
I
should.
will love it.
There's like a lot of beaches, right?
Yeah,
yeah,
everywhere.
to the
It's like a
south.
peninsula, so it's all around.
Wouldn't like in Korea then, if when you feel like you want to go to the beach, where would you go?
I've actually never been yet.
Sokcho.
Sokcho is the best. Oh yeah. It's nice there. I went there last summer, 2 summers ago. It was fun.
I wanted to go this summer, but I was too broke, so I was broke. But I really wanted to go. I still haven't traveled to Busan or Jeju-do.
Oh my God, you have to go.
Yeah. For me, a trip is like comfortable. Like it should be easy going, no schedule, as in like being stressed and everything.
Are you doing that?
It's the wrong hand. I don't even know.
I only
I heard that.
I only know
That's
how
my-
to do the boom boom, the thing. Oh yeah.
You know this
The
one?
tornado.
I don't know if I can do it.
Oh! It's like to take the foam from the start.
So like a long time ago, the bottles used to be like clear, and then they put a cork, like wine. They would stop it.
Really?
Yeah. So then, like there'd be like some little bits of cork.
With red wine, like it's
Yeah,
totally
same
normal.
thing.
When
So
you
then,
open it.
right. So then they do that to get the cork out, the little bits of cork.
We have to do that with a red wine bottle. When I go to Spain, I'm gonna be like.
Yeah.
Let me know if
Okay.
you try, because I feel like
We're gonna start drinking right away
Hell
before. And did you know that you're only supposed to fill it up like halfway? My husband told me that. This is hot. This is
I will
hot.
do it
Why
for
is
you.
Oh, thank you. This is hot.
No, I mean, like, why is it halfway?
I don't know. My husband's like just schooling me a little bit.
Oh.
Thank you. Yes. Oh my God, empty stomach.
Do you know
Let's
tricks
do
to
it.
make some?
Here. You need. Oh,
Yeah.
what's the trick to make some?
I know tricks.
Okay, go ahead.
So like.
Yeah, I'm gonna give you do it then because you know the
So,
tricks.
I mean, I did need like a soju glass to be able to do like a soju shot, then the beer mixture shot, then the soju, and then I have seen like many people that with the chopsticks. I know also
Yeah.
with the spoon, but like they put it like this and they do like.
Oh,
and then
I seen like with the spoon, right?
Yeah, I saw just going like
Also with
that
the spoon,
too.
It's the easy one. It's like, and that's it. Oh, you also saw a harmony that did with 2 spoons. He did like.
What the hell?
Oh.
Okay, I'll let you try.
I'm gonna put it on.
Okay, go ahead.
Okay, not
So you
too
pour-
much.
You pour the shot
But
now?
no, it's good to be enough for the foam to do work because
Okay.
if not, it's like
Okay.
not.
I heard when you pour beer, you should make it foam a lot because then it doesn't foam in your stomach. So if you just were to drink this without getting that foam out, then all that foam is going right in
Wait,
your
you're
belly.
kidding me.
I
How did
know.
I not know that?
I know. I just found this out. Like I'm 40. I learned this like this year.
Wait, what?
Yeah.
What?
Oh.
Well, sorry, I did not expect that. Okay.
I mean, oh my 맛있겠다. 와.
Yeah, it needs more 맥주. It didn't pop out the way I wanted.
But you did it? Did you do it with the chopstick?
Yeah, but I
didn't see you.
It needs more of this. Wait.
Are you gonna do it again? Okay, do it. Go ahead. Go ahead.
It's supposed to be like holding it a little bit strong, and then it does this.
Wait, that's so cool.
Yeah, it looks so
love
cute.
that. Okay, thank you.
I did it. Sorry.
뭐 해야 돼요? Do I have to do this?
Yeah, you are the cook. Sorry, you're the chef.
Hopefully I don't.
But I will help you cut though.
It's still
It's
really
still
raw.
raw.
Okay. Usually I wait just a little bit. Oh, this looks amazing. 이거 삼겹살? 진짜 맛있겠다. Wow.
It looks really, really nice. I'm like salivating.
Okay, we didn't drink though.
Let's
Should we
drink.
cheer first?
Yeah, let's cheers first. 오랜만이에요.
The Spanish way. Oh, so we teach you
Oh.
the Spanish
Yes.
cheer.
Yes.
So in Spanish it's like arriba,
abajo,
adentro, adentro y para adentro.
She doesn't even know, man. Let's do it right. Okay, let's do it again. Okay.
Okay.
Para arriba.
Arriba, abajo, para adentro y para adentro.
Oh, okay.
And for good luck, you put it down.
Good luck.
Good luck.
Yeah, that's a family-friendly version of it.
Ah.
So good.
Wow.
When I go to Spain, soulmate is the thing that I miss the most.
How often do you go?
Not too much. Like the last time, it was only because I was waiting on my visa. But I'm going back for Christmas.
Me too.
Oh,
Going around
just
the same time.
My parents were like, we paying for the plane, but you call me.
My parents were the same.
It's like, you have been away for too long. You're coming.
How long have you been away?
I arrived on March of this year.
Yeah.
But for them, it's already eternity.
Too much.
Yeah.
Like, it's like, you're coming back.
Yeah.
But I will come back on January.
Because I spent last Christmas here in Korea, and it was so much different than what I usually expect Christmas to be.
Of course.
Because like back in Europe, I'm assuming maybe the same in Canada. It's like a very family-oriented holiday, right?
Yeah, it's a big deal in Canada.
But in here,
Exactly.
Korea, it's only for couples, I think.
The first year that we had Christmas as like me and my first daughter and my husband, the first year I tried to like make a bunch, tried to make a bunch of Christmas stuff, like
So
food,
sweet, yeah.
and nobody appreciated it. Like my husband was like he doesn't really like Western food that much. Some of it he likes. I'm not 욕 안 하고 있어, 오빠. But he doesn't really love Western food because like Korean food, as you know, it's like so much flavor packed into every bite. Like it's just like, you know, so much flavor. So I think for my husband, Canadian food is just bland. 빨리빨리 먹어야겠어요.
네.
너무 잘 구웠어요. You did such a good job.
So well.
Can you guys eat spicy food?
I love spicy food. I love it. Like Spanish gastronomy is really good, but like Korean, oh my god! When I come here, of course I miss Spanish food, but I'm too obsessed with Korean.
But actually,
Yeah.
I don't really miss Spanish food that much
Oh.
when I'm here. Because I feel I also really like Korean food a lot. So like, I can eat it, you know, like I can wait for Spain.
What's your favorite? Because you're a vegetarian, so what's your favorite Korean food that you like?
I love, okay, maybe this is not too vegetarian friendly, because sometimes it does have the, what is it called, the omu?
Oh, yeah.
Tteokbokki.
감사합니다.
I love tteokbokki. That is the one thing that I miss the most.
I love tteokbokki.
Like actually, I miss Korean food when I'm in Spain the most.
Do you need more? You got some beer still? I'm so bad. You're so on top of it.
Please. 감사합니다.
Girl, I'm still not done, sorry.
It's like 불금 지금. 한국 스타일 이제
Okay.
짠.
Oh, 된장찌개.
된장찌개 is the best.
It's so good, especially during winter.
Oh yeah.
I want to eat it.
Have you ever tried? It's like UK bibimbap, the raw beef bibimbap.
Not me.
I'm sorry.
It's so good.
You don't like raw beef?
Oh really?
I ate it, but I ate it in the UK, in a Korean restaurant in the UK.
So different. So different.
Yeah, London.
Well, okay, I think maybe we went to the same one.
I mean, but you can never find a good Korean restaurant outside.
Outside of Korea,
Right.
yeah, of course.
It's impossible. Even though they are Korean, they don't have the ingredient.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Tell me if you
Oh my
need
god,
me to
you
slow
guys
down.
eat so, drink
Oh,
so
I'm good.
fast.
I like to drink in this rhythm. I'm totally fine.
What
Coke.
the heck? Okay. Don't make me drink too much. I'm gonna start talking about.
Living in Korea, the healthcare system is amazing, except it's hard to get like exactly what you need done because it's hard to explain really what your problem is. So like I often found too, like maybe feeling a little dismissed by doctors sometimes.
Right.
Like, oh, you're a mom, that's why. And I'm like, no, something is wrong. Like, you know,
Wow, that's not. Okay, that's weird.
I know. So, but I don't know.
I find that
Obviously,
interesting though, because I feel like compared to Europe, the healthcare system here is not that great.
really?
Because like we
Yeah.
in Spain,
Spain healthcare is the best.
because like
Really?
we have free.
Yeah, everything's for
healthcare.
free.
It's free in Canada, but the difference is you're gonna die waiting for your appointment.
Oh yeah, in Spain too.
Okay, there
Because
you
there's
go.
a huge queue. But if you have contacts,
Oh, really?
my father is a doctor.
Okay.
Oh, girl, okay, that doesn't count. That doesn't
okay.
count. You're different.
She's like, my daddy's a doctor.
My daddy is a doctor.
So, you guys kind of suck. All right.
It's
And-
okay. If you come to Valente, you have a doctor.
Yeah, well, there we go.
That's it.
I'm
Wait,
coming
wait,
to
okay.
Spain.
I'm
Let's
coming
go.
to. No.
I need more now.
Wow. I'm gonna make it for you. Okay, let's
It's
make.
dangerous because it's so
It's
smooth.
It tastes like water. It's so nice for real. Oh.
I cannot say the same thing, bro. I can't.
For real, the first time I tried
Do you want
soju.
사이다 하나 주세요.
감사합니다.
맥주 주세요.
You can make like a highball, soju highball.
Oh, I love
Oh,
highball.
me too,
I love
me too.
soju with cider is really good too.
Yeah, you can do it. 감사합니다.
감사합니다.
난 이 레트로병 너무 좋아. I love this bottle.
Oh, I like this.
Isn't that so cool?
That's pretty.
I feel like
You're
real-
such a pro with this. That's crazy.
Yeah, I'm
Yeah,
sorry.
she's over here like mix all of this to the stars.
But you know what? Like when I went back to Spain, like this year actually, when I was waiting for my visa, I brought 2 bottles of soju to my friends in Spain.
안 마셨어요.
Okay, let's go. But when I brought the soju bottles back to my friends in Spain, I was really offended because they didn't like it.
Yeah, I was so
They didn't
offended. Like
like
it's the
it?
best thing that they can drink, and they are like, it's too weird. It's like weird.
It's weird.
And I'm like, you are weird.
They were like, "Oh, it's too strong." Like, bro, what the hell?
Yeah,
You're
it's.
drinking soju.
I mean, no, it's true. It's strong for some people that are weak.
These people drink vodka out of the freaking bottle, and you're gonna tell me soju is strong?
It has
Like,
70,000.
17%.
Sorry, 17%.
Vodka has like 70,
Oh yeah.
70,
40.
40.
70 would
40.
be like,
I've
you
seen
die
this.
now.
They tried it with the Spanish beer, and I feel like because Spanish beer is like high quality when you mix it with soju.
Oh,
They were
so
like-
that's like high class somek.
No.
No, but they were like, okay, I don't like it because it ruins the taste of the beer.
Hey.
Okay, I have to agree. Okay, saca mañana.
Okay.
Okay. Okay. So I think that Korean beer is really soft. It's really
Yeah.
sweet. So it matches perfectly with soju. But Spanish beer
It's way stronger.
is a whole new flavor. It's like
Is it more
bitter.
hoppy?
It's like more bitter. Bitter.
Oh.
Oh, bitter? Yeah, it's
Bitter.
because the flavor is a lot stronger. So it tastes like real beer.
Yeah,
you know?
it tastes like wood.
So it's,
you know, like
Woody?
wood.
Okay.
I love the way she talks.
So cute.
It tastes like wood.
You know how many times they have been told me that I talk like an ayusi and I drink like an ayusi?
Hey, that is
For real.
that is not
That's a
diss.
compliment.
That's a compliment.
That's a compliment.
I feel it like a compliment. Literally, I can drink 3 bottles of soju and I'm fine.
Ooh.
Yeah.
Mine is like half a bottle of soju and I'm gone, bro. I'm gone.
I think I could handle a bottle. After that, it might start getting a bit messy.
You've been living here for 11 years, you can handle only 1 bottle?
Okay.
I don't really like. I only started drinking soju like recently.
Why? After so many years?
Well, because okay, I used to be a nail artist.
Mm.
So whenever I smell soju, I'm like, it just smells like acetone to me.
Oh, okay. Like cologne.
Yeah, so I was like, if I have to go the next day and do mom, with a hangover.
Oh no, that sounds like hell.
It is because 한번 해봤어요.
Really?
Like 일부러 아니야, not on purpose, but just like by accident. I got a little bit too excited the one night we went, like we rented like a caravan last summer.
Oh wow, that sounds so fun.
It was so fun, but I accidentally. Yeah, I had tequila. I had tequila, and then I accidentally had a beer before, like later. We're like,
The
oh,
mixing, okay, the mixing can kill you. The mixing can
that
kill
was
you.
it. So the next day we're driving back home, and I was like puking in the car.
Driving?
Well, no, my husband was driving.
Oh, sorry.
But I was like, okay, Mother of the Year award right here because I'm in the front seat, like blah blah blah. And my husband was just looking at me like, you piece of crap. Honestly. It was so bad.
Side eye, bombastic side eye.
Oh, kimchi too. Whenever I'm
Really?
in Spain, I'm like, bro, where's my kimchi side? Like, please give that
Oh
to me.
yeah, and can we cook the garlic sillops there?
Oh,
To
Yes,
cook the garlic.
I love that
Please.
too.
Oh.
Maybe we should put a little of that oil on the pan.
Oh yeah, should I this one? You mean?
Oh no, because she doesn't eat meat, but this
This
may be
one?
the 참기름.
Oh,
Just
Oh,
maybe.
참기름.
Oh,
Okay.
참기름,
Yours
참기름.
is virgin, it's fine.
Yeah.
Put that one. Nice, so it's gonna cook better.
I don't know why, but I never got that impression of you when I met you.
Oh, yeah, I'm not the type because I'm like really into party, but okay, now I'm gonna keep up with
이렇게 하면
the story.
괜찮죠?
The thing is that my parents, when they...
어떻게 할까요?
이거 참기름이 아니고
아, 참기름 아니요?
네, 이거 소이 소스예요.
아, 이거 소이sauce?
죄송합니다.
진짜?
색깔이 조금
색깔 참기름 같아요. 아, 맞아요. 이렇게 물이랑
이거를 부어주시면 좋아요.
I was gonna do that. I was gonna do that. I'm smart. tok.
you are. I feel like you're like the hidden chef.
right.
Hidden chef.
I'm a fake chef.
What's like your most embarrassing story in Korea?
Whoa.
Because it has to do with alcohol as well. Are you gonna order?
Always with alcohol. Embarrassing stories almost always have alcohol
I have
involved.
two.
Oh, I have to organize my mind.
소주 한 병 주세요.
Not gonna lie, I have a dark past, like everyone. The thing is,
Oh, the kimchi.
I ate it too. When it's cooked, it's so nice.
I've never
And with
tried
the garlic
it.
and everything.
Wait,
You
This
should.
way is
When
the
it's
best
cooked,
way.
it's so nice. Even like you know this soy.
Bean sprouts?
Yeah.
Soy bean sprouts?
When they are cooked, they are also super nice.
Yeah, those are really
Wow.
good.
So,
Right? Like, there's no other way to eat kimchi after you eat it like this. Right? It's so good.
it tastes so nice. So the thing is that I'm the type of person that love free things. Okay, I love free things.
I don't like where this is going.
Okay, so I'm gonna put it.
Thank you.
So every time that I went out in Honda, many foreigners that have like really weird storyline, but mine are more like wholesome.
Wholesome.
What is that?
Wholesome. Wholesome.
Wholesome? Wholesome?
Sorry, my,
Yeah,
wholesome, sorry, my accent.
I don't know. Don't be sorry ever. Your accent's beautiful.
You did it
No.
right. I just said it
Oh,
right.
thank
Yeah.
you.
My ears are bad. That's the problem. Not you. Okay.
So the thing is that I'm always like on and on, like when I go like from club to club, I'm like, so concha, like I'm like that, like three drinks, like I always do with my fake Korean. And then the weirdest thing is that I got like the most wholesome friendships just by doing that.
Oh, felt.
Like, because the owners from like some clubs, they were just friends with me and they were so happy to see me just because of that.
Oh.
Because I was so straightforward. I was like totally honest, like brutally honest from the start. Like, you don't have free drinks, I'm not coming in. And I was always like, free drinks. And then when they see me, they are like, oh, the free drinks girl. Like, they're like,
Let's get that drink ready.
they would always invite me afterwards because they saw that I was like honest from the start.
Yeah.
And I do stay, I'm like having fun, like enjoying. I don't do anything weird. I don't talk to them weirdly.
Yeah.
I never
What?
flirt. I never flirt with them. I treat them like friends. So they were like so cool, like with me. So even after I had to go back to Spain and I came back, they remember me.
Wow.
And they're like the free drink girl, like and they literally
Legacy.
they are so kind and so nice. And like, but I was like so obvious. Like I was just like free drink. Like literally like this. Free drink. Not even hello. I'm like free drink.
오. 이거 그 황금살이에요? 와. 오.
Is that?
Oh, yes.
Oh,
She like it.
Yeah.
it's cooking in the meat on the meat. Whoa, okay.
In
한정살이에요.
I love it. It's like going all around. Be careful with your glass.
Oh, please! I don't want to eat meat. Oil.
Go.
It's okay.
It's fine like this? Maybe? It's too heavy. Maybe.
I think it's
The meat.
I love
하이밥. When you do that, 그거 하면 재수 없어요.
죄송합니다.
oh
나한테 재수 없어요. 아니요.
I don't, because I drink so fast, I don't want to disturb you.
Oh.
You know what? The thing I love the most about like going out with Koreans to eat in barbecue, they take so much good care of you.
Yeah.
Like they are always cooking, they are so focused, they are like doing everything for you, and I
Yeah.
just feel like, oh my god.
But I always feel secretly so bad about that because I'm like, I want
Yeah,
to
of course,
help.
yeah.
I want to do something for you. Like I want
Yeah, but
you know.
to be honest, like I know that they must feel like we look so dumb. Like literally, I was in a barbecue place also, and the chef was like looking at me cooking the meat, and he was like struggling. Like I can feel the sweat. Like
He's
he was
like, what are you
Yeah,
doing?
he was like, oh my god, you're so dumb.
He's like, what is this way we're
you're
doing
doing
right
great
now?
though. What?
Oh.
Idea 생겼어. I have an idea. 그 balance game 알아요?
I know it.
Uh,
I know it. You have to choose one, right?
yeah. So I'm gonna say two things, and you choose the one you like more.
Okay.
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 I hope it's not meat related.
Oh wait. Okay, this one's for Carmen.
Okay.
Let's go. Okay.
Okay, 삼겹살.
That's
or
the mortilla.
Samgyeopsal, no, it's
What is
아까
삼겹-
전에 우리 먹었어요. The one we just ate before this. was
Okay,
삼겹살.
okay.
Okay, 삼겹살 or 돼지 갈비. Galbi is the one that's like marinated and sweet a little bit.
veggie pork.
Which one do you like?
I think the first one.
삼겹살?
Yeah, because
Oh,
I just love like to eat it directly without nothing else. Like just with the thing that I love the most about Korean gastronomy is that it tastes like natural. Like
Yeah,
it
yeah,
tastes
yeah,
from
yeah.
like the thing that I love the most
Oh,
about
I
Korean
love-
meat is that it tastes like the black cooking thing, like the
Oh, like the-
thing underneath.
Ah, cool.
Like
Yeah.
it's just like directly like that, nothing else. And
Yeah,
then
right.
you can mix if you want, but like eating it by itself is like, oh, it's so tasty.
I agree.
Once lifesavers.
Is there a
It's like too much commercial soap too.
Menorca of
Maybe I think Jeju is gonna be the best one for that type, like
Menorca?
Menorca. Menorca for me, Mallorca is one of the best, or like
not
Tenerife.
Mallorca, Menorca.
Menorca. I haven't been in Menorca.
Did you eat this
so
one?
good. I'm gonna eat now.
Wow.
Oh my god! Oh my god! Wait,
Mount
I have to get ready.
마음 준비할게요. Oh,
Awesome.
장난
The
아니야.
bite is so nice. It's so easy. 우와, 진짜 맛있어요.
이거.
정말 감사합니다. 우와.
You have to drink now.
I'm so happy. I'm really thankful. Oh my god, it's so good. Wait, this is pork and this is also pork. Both are pork.
이 부분은 여기, I think, right?
Oh, the ribs.
삼겹,
Is
삼겹.
it stomach?
stomach.
The stomach.
이 부분 여기.
Is the okay? This is the neck,
El lomo.
neck and okay, and
Shoulder.
shoulder, and this is like
This one 삼겹살 from before. So 삼겹, I think it's the belly.
Belly.
right? 맞아.
In Spain, we
Oh,
eat a lot of
진짜
poke
맛있다.
though, right? Lomo? In Spain,
lomo.
we
We love
eat
lomo.
poke.
Now I understand why you like it so much.
I always thought about that. Like, if my parents came to Korea, I would take them to barbecue. The
Oh,
first
yeah.
place. 'Cause my
I
parents
do that.
love
I
meat.
want to bring my parents to Korea. Like my mom is obsessed with doramas. She's
Really?
obsessed.
Really?
Because from when I
Wait,
get
라면?
No,
doramas.
dramas.
드라마.
Wait, because when
That's so
when
fun.
she knew that I was gonna come here, she wanted to get to know Korea. So
Oh,
she was
so
like,
cute.
K-dramas. Okay,
Oh,
and then
wow. That's adorable.
you know what? The funniest thing is the K-dramas that she loves the most is the Joseon era ones.
Oh, those are so fun.
She's
I
like
see.
so obsessed with the traditional clothing and
Yes, yes, yes,
everything,
yes,
with
yes, yes.
architecture
The
and like.
dot. You guys are both Gen Z, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, I guess I'm 98.
99.
98. Oh, you guys are like just.
Yeah, but I feel more
Z.
Gen Z though. I feel like I'm more.
I
that
mean,
way.
that's great. I mean, I'm not jealous.
I think I'm a bit of everything because everyone always told me that I look like no. I look and I feel like a grandma. Literally, my hair is like the
Whoa,
pearls and all the achuma.
Stop! I love your hair. I love your hair. Like so much, I love your hair.
Thank you so much, but for real, I feel like I have the pearls
This
from
is-
all the
I don't
harmonies
like
from
this.
Korea. When I speak in Korean, every time when I speak with someone, I'm like, oh, 혹시 네,
나도.
Me too. 네, 감사합니다.
Like
I always
your
hi.
voice.
But in Spanish, I'm like, es que el otro día en plan me enteré de que esto que en plan my voice was like
It goes deeper. That's true. I notice that every time I like speak a different language, my voice sounds absolutely different.
Same. I feel the same way because I'm always like, why do I have egyo in Korean and then not at all? in
because we are
English?
foreigners, we don't want to scare them.
I think
it's-
maybe that's
don't think
actually that makes sense because I always, as a foreigner here for like a long time, I'm always kind of like hyper vigilant, and I notice people noticing me because and I'm like, okay, I just don't want to make a problem because I don't want you to think all foreigners are
Or make it
dickheads.
awkward, yeah.
Right, so I'm always being super hyper vigilant, and like for example, I'll go on the subway, and you know how you go on the subway, and like it's kind of the right thing to do to give your seat up for someone who's older or pregnant or me too, because I think if I don't do it,
They're gonna judge you.
right, or like even like a seat will become available and I'm like I've just been standing for the past like 30 minutes. I'm tired.
Like you don't want to sit down because you're like,
Yes, because
I
you're
feel the same way.
so I like looked the one time. I was like checking with this other guy, and then this other young guy just like swooped in and sat down, and me and the other guy looked at each other like, wow.
Girl, literally, when I have to give a seat, I make sure that the young people go out, and I'm like, 주세요, I'm 주세요. Like with the harmony of the halabuji, like I'm always controlling the young people. It's like I'm always in the middle, like this.
Yeah.
But
like
they are
you don't sit down.
But they're so grateful. They are like so kind, and they look you like really thankful.
Like when I was
I've never had
pregnant,
that.
it's happened
Oh,
to
when
me
you were
so many
pregnant.
times, especially when I'm pregnant. I'm pregnant, and they're like, "Oh, I'm just saying." I'm like, "No, you sit down. Like I'm okay."
I know the birth rate in Korea is like this, so the fact that you had 3 kids, that's so
That's
much
true.
different.
You had this idea of like having a huge family.
Nope.
Oh.
Look, I'll be real. I did not plan the first one. I did not plan the second one, and I sure as hell did not plan the third one.
But she loves you, okay? Don't get that wrong.
There is not an ounce of me that wishes that I did not have a single one of them. They
No
are
protection
like,
in Emily mine.
no, they're like the reason I breathe, legit.
Oh, that's so sweet.
But like I did not plan them. I was just so blessed with 3 healthy kids. So super lucky. 또 먹을 수 있는데 어떤 거요?
볶음밥 드시면
아 볶음밥 하면 좋을 것 같아요. 네.
볶음밥을 몇 개 해드릴까요?
그냥 한 개 같이 먹을 수 있겠어요.
Yeah,
네.
I'm
볶음밥
not
you
hungry at all.
you don't want 볶음밥?
Nothing.
We'll just get it and like just
You
have a
guys
couple
can
bites.
have it.
Yeah.
Because I'm not
I'm good.
hungry.
I cannot keep eating.
Yeah.
I mean, we still keep that.
Yeah, we got that and we got
I'm like,
the-
I need to eat it.
You need more.
I feel like an alcoholic.
No, you're not. Not at all.
Okay.
짠.
죄송합니다.
뺄게요. 아주
와우. 이거.
Wait, I might get hungry now.
오.
Yeah, you have to eat.
That looks good.
이어서 드세요.
네, 감사합니다. 계란 프라이 봐요.
Wow, that looks amazing.
광택이 있네요. 너무 이쁘다.
Okay, I'm gonna try to do my tornado. Okay.
Okay, let's go. Let's go.
I hope it doesn't go bad.
Go.
I have to make it good.
Carmen.
Oh!
No.
No, try again.
Wait.
A little bit.
I normally do it well. I do it well.
It like
She's lying,
a little
she's
bit.
lying.
Wait, I need to practice.
Let it. I need to practice.
Normally it's like side and then like clock. It's
But you
like
need to, like-
1, 2, 3.
Ow! Okay, good. It's because you gave me on the hand. That's why you did that.
Hey, this time it worked.
Did it.
It did. Okay, I want to
She's a pro. Yeah, get some cider.
Yeah, you should
cider
drink
namaz.
more. To measure.
Un cubata de soy.
Cubata. Cubata is like a cocktail. Like we call it like
when
a
you
gin
mix
tonic
alcohol
when you
and
mix with
soda.
a drink like Fanta or Coke.
Actually, it's just rum cola.
지금
We
비벼서
지금
we have to break it
숟가락으로
more.
비벼주세요.
숟가락으로요?
네.
Yeah. You are the cook.
I'm sorry.
You're the chef.
Well, I don't think I put this in my mouth. I don't think.
Wait, I'm gonna clean just in
Yeah,
case.
I don't think I. Yeah, right. Thank you. I don't think I even used it, but I can't be sure. Wow, look at that! Look at that! Look at
Bro,
that.
that looks good.
Well, I'm really good at mixing though. It's fine because it's
think I
funny
need
because I'm not a good cooker, but I'm really good at doing it with.
Another one? Why did you put two in mine? She did put two!
Yeah, she hasn't been drinking that much, so it's good.
No, okay, you have this one, I'll have another one.
She has plans for you.
You can handle alcohol well.
Okay, I'm gonna do a somek. 괜찮아요.
Go ahead.
You're so
Okay.
weak. It makes me sad.
I am weak though. I already let you know I'm weak.
Oh no!
Yeah.
I dropped a little bit.
I get the sign up.
Sorry,
Damn,
sorry.
That looks good though.
It looks so good.
Wait, I kind of want to try it with the 숟가락. Wait. Should I?
I clean it.
Is it just like?
Mm.
Wait,
if
I
not-
think I'm gonna splash you around.
Or if not, you can try with the chopsticks, but they are dirty already, I think.
I'm not gonna splash.
Just.
Ooh.
Whoa!
Get it, get it, get it. Don't waste that.
That was good. That was good.
I did that with force, man.
Yeah.
Nice. Because I saw this like viral video of like a woman that does like this.
Did twice.
And she's like,
Oh.
Go ahead, try it.
Oh.
Wait.
That's kind of fun.
oh,
did
it's really nice. It works for
Did
real.
that, okay.
And I also saw like a video of like you put the chopstick here, and then you put the soju here, and
Oh,
it's like
to drop it?
with yeah. Because like getting ready.
Ah.
진짜 더러워.
볶음밥
좋아요.
좋아해요? Do you like it?
네.
Oh yes,
왜냐면
so nice. Wait, what? What are you
이거
talking about?
김치 볶음밥.
보통 네
어.
고기
아.
들어가지 않은.
네, 맞아요, 맞아요. 여기도 고기 없어요.
좋아요.
먹을 수 있어요.
Wait, are we talking about this?
Yes,
But
this
she
one is like
she didn't eat that much.
right.
You should be the one eating.
그래서
man.
this one is
You're skinny.
아,
Oh man, I'm gonna have to wash it again.
빨리 먹어야 돼요.
김치.
하고 있어. 다.
Okay, it's okay.
Are you sure?
It's
It's
over.
because it's
I need
kimchi.
to, I need to wash it.
이거 진짜 바삭해.
Oh, wait,
조금
I
we have to
I
eat it
the
fast.
빨리 먹어야 돼. 빨리.
빨리 먹어.
Okay.
조금 탔어. 근데 이렇게 하면 맛있어.
아이고.
I like the burn part. It's fine.
오, 진짜 맛있다. It's so good.
Wait.
I burn my tongue. Oh.
Did you?
Oh no. I 잠깐만요.
있어요. Oh
You
my
don't
God.
want some?
No, because if I mix, it's over.
For me, it's also over, but with one, I'm good. One is good, but all the time drinking somek is not good for me. Like only soju is perfect.
But you're not mixing. You're still drinking soy though.
Wait,
That's right.
Isn't this good with this though?
But if I drink 맥주 다음날 머리 아파요.
Ah, really?
Even
맞아.
한 개만 먹어요 또.
Just really?
Yeah, even just one. 예전에 안
Wait, one I'm
그랬을까요?
good, but like I also like next day my head is like
Yeah,
with the mekju.
yeah.
Like somek is my death.
When I first came to Korea, it was sometimes a little hard to understand people speaking English, like Korean speaking English. But now I feel like I'm like super expert level. Like
Because you're fluent in Korean as well.
I'm not fluent.
To be
I'm not
honest,
fluent.
for me,
girl.
Koreans,
Oh, girl.
when Koreans speak English,
No, I want.
no, okay. I have an answer to that.
Mm.
So, okay. Koreans have the same a, e, I, o, u with the Spanish people.
Oh,
Like our pronunciation is
Vowels
very similar.
Is
Yeah.
the vowels
Really?
is same.
The
So
same.
like a, e, i, o, u is the same with Hangul. So it's like every time that they spoke English, I was able to understand because it was similar to my accent.
Because like actually for us, it's really easy to learn how to read Hangul because
Yeah.
our pronunciation is really similar.
Reading Hangul is so easy. Writing Hangul is so easy.
Oh my, no, when I'm with the phone, I'm like, I'm like an ajuma. Like,
Hey, wait a minute. I'm an ajuma.
No, you're
no, you're
Yes,
not.
I am.
No,
You're a young woman. You're a young
Ajuma
kid.
means-
You're a
You're
teenager.
a young lady. Sorry.
Ajuma just means married woman. That's it.
Are you serious?
Yeah.
I thought that ajuma is like an
Old
aunt.
lady.
Aunt.
No,
Aunt.
that'd be like harmony.
Or uncle. I just see. I thought it was uncle.
No,
and
that would
aunt.
be emo. Emo is aunt.
But like on your
if it's-
dad's side,
Right,
like,
right, right.
oh
On
my
your
God.
mom's side, it's emo. On your dad's side, it'd be como or 큰엄마, 작은엄마.
Oh yeah, very. Oh.
This is one thing. Oh, 이거.
We learned that in university. I was like, how the hell am I gonna learn this?
Imagine learning it. Imagine learning it in real time.
When you're
with your
married,
husband,
you have to be
and you're like,
Make the calculations like, okay, so this is this.
yeah. I'm like, can I just say your name?
Exactly.
Can I just be like Aunt Susan? Can I please? It's so hard when you, and
At
like,
this point, like literally, it just gave me the vibes of like going like, oh
oh,
mama,
you don't
mama.
have any.
Oh,
exactly.
You can go faster.
so Korean. Wait,
Oh, 참.
are we gonna chant?
어떡해,
감사합니다.
어떡해. 짠. 소주 맥주.
So you,
Make you. Not Korean make you.
I'm gonna say, you?
offense.
Yeah.
Are you? Come on, you're gonna compare Cass to Estrella Galicia? Come
Yeah, it's true. Alhambra.
on. Alhambra. No comparison.
She's a patriot here in Korea.
Yeah, I'm 한국 사람. 네.
여기 한국 사람 다 됐어요. Okay, have you tried Canadian beer though?
Which tell me brands.
Canadian?
That's
There's
me.
one called Canadian.
Literally?
Oh,
I don't think I've tried that.
No.
it's not that good, but
That's why.
Because I've tried American one. American one. tastes
American
I try Irish.
American beer is weak.
like peat.
Oh.
Actually, peat tastes like peat.
Oh,
Cat peat.
Oh.
It's bad, bro. I don't like it.
I don't know about.
Budweiser.
Oh yeah, Budweiser's American, but the Canadian one is like, I think it's 5% instead of 4 points.
Yeah,
I
5
think-
is normal.
But it's
That's
a,
normal, true.
Yeah.
but I think it's a lager and not an ale. You guys probably like more like do you know 향기로운 향 있는? That means like the
The smell of like a
Oh,
strong
like
feeling,
hop.
alcohol, like it's warm, like
not
it-
the alcohol but the hops. Like
Hops.
the
You mean the wheat?
yeah,
The
like
smell of the
like
wheat,
it's
like
wheat
the
or whatever.
ingredient, like it's
Yeah,
traditional
yeah.
rural.
Right, right.
Yes,
So
that's
like,
the Spanish way.
Okay,
yeah.
so this is the opposite of usually what Korean. Well, like Korean lager is like more like waterful. So it's not as 향이 없어요. 난 그런 스타일 좋아해요.
Okay, I got you.
Yeah, no 향.
Okay, true.
Yeah, because for
The
me,
Spanish beer you can smell.
right. So for me, it's like I want like the 시원한 느낌, like refreshing.
True. Okay, I see.
Whereas like if it has 향, then for me it's not refreshing.
I like it with ham.
Of course, most people do.
And I've seen San Miguel here. I was like, do you really want to pour
Oh.
San Miguel here? That's like the worst Spanish beer you can have.
It is.
Come on!
That's the bad. That's the
Come
worst
on, it's the
That's
cheapest one and it's good anyway.
People say it doesn't taste like anything. People say it's like
Girl, if you're broke, it's
watered down.
good.
If you're broke, you go to Mercadona and you go get the cheapest one.
Are you gonna get the eagle one that is like 30 cents?
yeah.
Come on! That's a fake German brand and it's so Spanish.
It's so good though.
But when you first came to Korea, like, were you shocked by the drinking culture? Because for me,
Spanish. We're Spanish is the same.
in Canada too, it's so similar in Canada. Except in Canada, like, you can only buy alcohol at a licensed government store, like the LCBO or the beer store. That's it. And they shut down at like 11 o'clock at night. And then if you go to the bar's done at like, they're done serving at like 1 or 2. And you're done. That's it.
That sounds so bad. What are you gonna do the rest of the night? You just go home.
Well, no, there's like after hours, but they're illegal, but you go anyway, because...
You're illegal. At
Yeah,
1
after
a.m.?
hours. Yeah. Yes, it's illegal.
So different.
Literally,
Nightlife.
I felt like I was in Spain, like
We have the same nightlife.
the nightlife, the people attitude, like the job hours, the payment, everything is like in Spain.
payment.
Everything is like it's in Spain.
There's no tipping?
No,
No tipping.
not one.
Only tipping if they love you. Like they feel like, wow, you're such a pretty girl. Like, take €1.
Like that $1. That's it. Like wow.
That's shit.
But actually, like a lot of people feel offended by tipping.
Yeah, in Spain it's
Really?
not cool. Like tipping in Spain is like with €1 you are already being too generous. Like €5
You're
is
being
a
called broke
lot.
if they give you tipping. It's like, oh, she deserves.
It's
it.
like in Japan, I think.
Yeah, they don't have that tip in.
It's like that in Japan.
In Japan, if you tip, it means that you consider them broke.
Yeah.
Ah.
So in Spain it's the
Okay.
same. If you tip, it's like I'm giving you some extra, but as in like take it by
poor
yourself.
person,
Yeah,
you know,
exactly.
like,
Like to the waitress,
poor
like
guy.
keep it secret. Like take it by yourself because like I'm helping you out because I know they don't pay you enough.
Exactly.
Oh, in Canada, you tip like 15% is like the norm, but 20% is like if you're a good person, you're gonna tip 20%. So like think about this: you go for lunch, you buy like a sandwich and a soup for 2 people. You're walking out of there, you've just spent like 7만 원 for lunch. Get the out of here! That's crazy.
What is Chimano? Sorry.
70,000.
70. What?
70.
Yeah.
Sorry.
What is 7만 원?
Like in Canada, you just don't go to restaurants much. Like you can't. Whereas here, like we can go to a restaurant literally every day. It's actually a little bit easier than even cooking for yourself.
Yeah, it's
Yeah.
cheaper as well a lot of the times.
Yeah, so that's one thing I love about living here.
Groceries in Spain is a lot cheaper, so cooking at home is so much easier and cheaper. Whereas in Korea,
It's getting
like
so
going out for dinner, like whatever type of meal, is cheaper than buying your groceries and cooking at home.
Yes.
Because groceries is so expensive.
Groceries are getting
so
crazier,
expensive.
but it
Literally.
wasn't like that before.
Oh, really?
It was not like that. It was so cheap before.
I have been told like how
Yeah.
cheap Korea was before.
It was-
But now it goes so expensive. Like I was able to feel it like from March to now. The public transport. Literally before it was 1, 2, 5.
Yeah.
Now
Yeah.
it's like almost 5.
And like it's a small amount, but it just adds up so fast.
that is-
I use the public transport so many times. Of
But that's
course
because
it's a
they're
huge
implementing
amount.
the monthly card.
Yeah.
You know, the monthly
yeah,
transportation
yeah,
card.
yeah, yeah.
That's why they're taking advantage of this last few months.
Oh.
So they can implement that and like make people pay less. Because honestly, I usually pay like a month like
So-
90,000,
Ah.
and now public transportation card is gonna be 60,000 a month.
So they're okay. So they're going to introduce a public transportation in Seoul card, and the reason, like now, the way they're trying to push it is by like
Raising the prices, and then
okay.
they're gonna introduce that card that you're gonna pay only 60,000 a month.
Are you full?
Yeah.
Me, yeah, very.
I'm a little searchy. 했대요. I think I should call my husband to pick me up. There he is. Yeah. That's my husband.
The Canada.
Yeah, he's wearing the Canada shirt. You camera 조심해요. Yeah.
만나서 방금.
앉아 잠깐. 애들 어디 있어? 애들 잘
What
있어?
time is it?
앉아 잠깐.
Oh, it's 4 o'clock.
자고 있어? 앉아.
That was fast.
Yeah.
고기 조금 먹어봐.
아니야, 괜찮아.
먹었어요?
됐나? 나? 아까 점심 먹었어.
아이 귀여워.
Mañana trabajas.
잤어?
어?
오빠 또 잤어?
아니, 안 잤어. 더워. 오늘 날씨 너무
Yo
따뜻해.
trabajo.
Ay, coño. Ya mañana comemos
귀여워.
술 많이
Tomar
먹었어.
comida de-
조금.
Te voy a decir, hacemos el pulso.
Carmen and Elena 둘 다 스페인 왔어요.
아,
스페인.
스페인.
모델 둘 다 모델.
어쩌지. 오.
어.
뭔가 달라, 비주얼이.
야 이.
네. 아니, 와이프도 예쁘지.
Your wife is so freaking beautiful. Like she looks so young.
Yeah,
She looks
yeah.
30 years old or even younger. Like oh my gosh.
Absolutely.
She doesn't look like she had 3 kids. Like not at all.
I'm
so
so,
young.
Oh my
I'm
god.
so red
You're
now.
so lucky.
어,
You're
맞았네?
super lucky.
어? 기분 좋지.
아 막장 할까?
네.
오빠 애들 괜찮아?
몰라, 나 한번 가볼게.
아 오케이.
오케이.
짠 막장. 어우. 계산요. 가자.